Alright, hey guys, how are you guys doing today? My name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. Today's video is a really high requested one because a lot of you guys asked me for skincare advice. Even if I already made a video for skincare, you guys are always asking me for my routine, but I thought that I would give you guys something better. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 reasons why your skin sucks. Now these are 10 very common reasons why most people break out. And to be honest, when I stopped doing these 10 things, my skin really started to clear up. So hopefully it does the same for you guys, but without rambling on, let's get into the first one. The first one is not washing your face twice a day. Now it is very important that you do this. Right when you wake up, you should wash your face with a cleanser and put some moisturizer on for the rest of the day. And when the day is over, you should wash your face again. Because if you think about it, the average person touches their face 20 times an hour. So chances are by the end of the day your face is very dirty, so that's why you should wash it at the end of the day. And the reason why you should wash it in the beginning of the day is because your pillowcase may be dirty and you don't want all that bacteria and dirt staying on your skin. Which leads me on to the second one, not washing your pillowcases frequently. Now this is something that a lot of people look over. A lot of people underestimate how dirty your pillowcases are, but like I said, this is a very common reason why most people break out. Because let's say you sleep 6 hours, your face is rubbing against that pillowcase for 6 hours. And I know that sounds gross, but that's just the reality of it. And honestly, it won't affect you too much if you wash your pillowcases frequently. I know a lot of people who heard about this and started sleeping on their back, completely facing up, and like their face doesn't touch the pillowcase. So if you could do that, great, but either way, wash your pillowcase frequently. Number 3, popping pimples. It's no secret that popping pimples leaves scars on your face, and scars are really hard to remove. So you're better off just like waiting for the pimples to leave. And honestly, this is something that I used to struggle with, especially my freshman year. I remember like sitting in math class like completely zoned out and subconsciously picking out my face, and that left me with a lot of scars. Definitely regret doing that, so hopefully you guys don't do that at all. And this isn't only just popping your face, this is rubbing your face or scratching your face. If your skin is irritated because of like pimples or any type of inflammation, a common thing people do is rub their face with like their knuckle or something, and that's just as bad as popping your face. In general, try to stop touching your face. I know that is hard because like I said, average person does it 20 times an hour. Just hold back from it and you should be okay. Number 4, using cheap skincare products. Now, like I said, I already have a video talking about skincare products that work for me, so I definitely recommend checking that out. But in general, no matter what you have, it shouldn't be from Walmart and it shouldn't like cost $5. A lot of people think that they're saving a ton of money using these cheap skincare products, but at the end of the day, it could be making your skin worse. So definitely invest in some quality skincare products. Right now, a lot of my friends are talking about Curology, so maybe you guys can try that out. But in general, just find whatever works for you that is some quality products, and your skin will be thanking you for it. Number 5, consider the fact that your hair products are dripping down on your face. So think about it like this: if you put some hair product on and then you sweat, all that sweat is going to be carrying the hair product into your face, and that could be a really big reason why you're breaking out. And this really happens mostly in like cheap hair products, so you could definitely invest in like hair products that don't do that. You could just search up like on Google hair products that don't make you break out. Anyways guys, since we're on the halfway mark, I should introduce myself for those of you guys who are new. My name is Aaron Ramirez. I make fashion and fitness videos, so if you like what's going on so far and you want to see more of me in the future, make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. But anyways, other than that, let's finish the list. Number 6, crappy diets. Now there have been like a ton of research like on common foods that are known to make people break out. For example, dairy, peanut butter, chocolate, and a bunch of different ones. You could probably search up a bigger list on Google, but those are just some examples. So definitely watch where you're eating and make sure you steer clear of things that could be making you break out. Number 7, stress. Now this is a really bad one, obviously, because not only does stress cause acne, it causes so many other different things. So in my opinion, I would just search up like really good ways to relieve stress. A few that come to mind is like running or exercise in general, meditating. Like I said, honestly, just search up a list and see which one you think will work for you and just try it out. Number 8, over cleansing. Now you know how I mentioned that you should be doing it twice a day? Don't take it to an extent, because I know some people who think like the more they cleanse, the faster they will get their skin to clear up, or like the cleaner their face will get. But honestly, your face is also made up of essential oils that your body needs, and if you strip your face from these essential oils, you're just gonna end up breaking out. Only stick to twice a day and you should be solid. Number 9, dehydration. Not drinking enough water. I forgot what the magic number was, but like I know a lot of people say like I think it's like 64 ounces of water that you should be drinking a day, 8 ounces of water. But in my opinion, I would honestly drink more than that, because just like stress, dehydration comes with a lot of worse things that come with acne. So just make sure you're drinking the right amount of water and you should be okay. And finally, number 10, puberty or excessive hormones in general. Now this one sucks because like no matter how clean your face will get, no matter like, you know, if your diet's on point, if you're drinking the right amount of water, you're doing every single thing to make your skin clear up, there's nothing you can do about excessive hormones. That's honestly what happened to me my freshman year. I remember drowning in like YouTube videos of, you know, why am I breaking out, like how to stop breaking out, how to clear skin, whatever the case was. And at the end of the day, like the reason why I was breaking out still, it's because it was hormonal, and that sucks because like I said, there's nothing you can do about that except, you know, just wait patiently until it's over. So if you think you're doing everything right and you're still breaking out, then honestly don't worry about it. I get it, acne sucks, but trust me, one day it's all gonna be over and you're gonna have really nice skin. And if it is hormonal, don't stress about it because like I said, stress will only make it worse. So as long as you know you're doing everything right, then just know that one day it's all gonna be over. Anyways, that's it. Those are the 10 reasons why your skin might suck. The 10 reasons why, you know, you might be breaking out. So I hope this video did help. If it did, make sure to leave a like. I would really appreciate it. Like I said, if you are new around here, make sure to subscribe. Let me know how your acne story is going down in the comments below. Anyways, other than that guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.